n8n is a workflow automation tool that lets users connect apps and build custom automations with a visual editor or self-hosted setup. n8n is a powerful, developer-friendly automation tool that connects apps and databases using a visual node-based editor. It offers a free self-hosted version for full data control alongside convenient cloud plans managed by n8n. While it serves as a highly flexible alternative to Zapier for building complex logic, its learning curve requires a solid understanding of data structures to prevent advanced workflows from breaking. This platform features a starter plan at $24 per month billed monthly or $20 per month billed annually, and a pro plan at $60 per month monthly or $50 per month annually. For larger scales, the business plan costs $960 per month monthly or $800 per month annually, while the enterprise plan requires you to contact sales for custom pricing. Reddit users say the platform has powerful functions, integrations, and API support, allowing data processing and web scraping. However, initial setup is complex. Overall, it's best for advanced users needing automation and workflows, but less ideal for beginners. Overall, it's a powerful and flexible automation tool for developers and businesses, but it can feel technical for beginners. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.